Now I'm going to show you the door closer from Godrej. So this is the door closer. The fittings were easily, as you can see, the fittings are easily made and you can fix it very easily with the help of some screws and drilling machine, I guess. This is the 10 feet door. This is the 10 feet door, 10 by 2. I've used a 60 kgs door closer holder, so it's able to hold it properly. I'll open it now. I've opened the door now. So it's able to hold, the back side of the door is able to hold to the magnetic holder. I'm going to close it. This is how smoothly it gets closed. I hope this video is helpful. We've chosen this because we have a balcony diagonally. So the winds are very forceful, and if the door is not closed or semi-closed, then it will go and thrash to its ceiling. So in order to not break the door, we have used the door closer.